how to calculate follow. Follow is what? Follow give set of all terminals that may follow immediately to the right of S. Right of S. S is a start symbol. And here are some rules also. What are the rules? Rules. S be a variable. The start symbol and S be a variable. Then the first one is S is start symbol. Because this is a start symbol, so always follow of S will be dollar. Follow of S will be dollar because this is start symbol. The second, if S tends to A, B, C, D, E and B tends to B, C tends to C, D tends to D and E tends to E, then follow of A is equal to first of B, C, D, E, that is first of B, that is B. So that will be the follow. Like that we can calculate. And the third rule is if S tends to AB, or we can say S tends to ABC and C tends to epsilon, then follow of B from this one is equal to follow of S, that is first of S, that is always dollar. It is always dollar. In that case also it will be C, because this is C is epsilon, so again we will go to the B. So follow of B is equal to follow of S again, and that is first of S, that is always dollar, because this is the start symbol, so always this is have this symbol, that is dollar. So now suppose we have this grammar. We are going to take this grammar. S tends to GH and G tends to AF and A tends to BC DE, where H tends to H, F tends to small lowercase f, B tends to lowercase b, C tends to lowercase c, and D tends to lowercase d. Like that we have this grammar. So how to calculate follow? And one is left, D, E. E tends to E. So how to calculate the follow of all? So first what we will do, we are going to write, we are going to make a tree like this. S tends to G, H, G tends to AF, F and A tends to B, C, D, E, B, C, D, E. So now we are going to write all the terminals of the variables. B tends to B, C tends to C, D tends to D, E tends to E, F tends to F, H tends to H. Like that we just write the whole grammar. So now we start the calculating the follow. So because this is a start symbol, so this always have this symbol dollar according to the rule. So start symbol always have follow, that is dollar. So this will always have dollar. After that we are going to calculate the follow of B. Follow of B. Follow of B. The next is CDE. So we can simply say the first of C, D, E, that is first of C. So first of C, because C tends to small c or lowercase c, so it will be C. So now if we are going to calculate the follow of E, so what it will be? It will be follow of A, follow of E will be follow of A. So that is the first of F, that is first of F, that is first of S is lowercase f. So like that. So now if we are going to calculate, suppose follow of F, so what it will be? It will be follow of G, and that will equal to first of H, that is lowercase h. So like that we can calculate. From here we see, because follow of V, so next we see next terminal what is next variable, and according to that we calculate the first of C. Then because E is here, so we will go in the back direction. What is before that? So follow of E will be follow of A, that is first of the next variable, that is F, so first of that variable. And in the same case follow of F, so it will go to G, follow of G, and next variable, that is H, so first of H is follow of F. Now we are going to calculate follow of H, so we will go to follow of follow of S. So what is follow of S? Always have dollar, as we know with the rule, because this is a start symbol. So like that we can calculate. And suppose if C, D, E all tends to epsilon, we are supposing it all belongs to epsilon, then how to calculate follow of B? Then follow of B will be follow of A, the next immediate variable, follow of A, then follow of A first of F, that is F. So follow of B will be F if C, D, E both C, D, E all are epsilon in that case. And suppose if we are supposing F is also epsilon, then what will happen? Then follow of B, and then follow of B, we reach to the follow of A, because here this is also epsilon, so we go to the follow of G, then we calculate the first of H, that is small h, lowercase h. And if we are supposing if h is also epsilon, then how to calculate follow of B? Then follow of B immediate to the follow of A, and because this is also epsilon, so follow of G, and this is also epsilon, so follow of S, so and the first of S, or so we can say the, as we have, because this is a start symbol, so this always have dollar sign. So we can simply say the minimum string will always remain here, and that is dollar. If we don't have anything, so in the case of calculating follow V, we will go further, and we reach to the start symbol, and start symbol is always carry dollar because from the rule. So we can simply say the minimum string will be dollar. So like that we can calculate the follow of any grammar.